Hi everyone, my name is M. I am a regional sales manager for ILSC in Greystone College, Canada. So our schools, we have ILSC, which is a language schools. We located in Vancouver, Toronto, and Montreal. And also we also have Greystone College, which provides the diploma program together with the co-op. So you can study English with ILSC. So our English program, so we have the English communications, and we also have university pathway programs, and also test preparation. And we have the Greystone diploma program, which is a vocational program that you can study and work during studying. And we have in the business program and hospitality, digital marketing, and technology. So if you would like to study with us and experience Canada, so you can study with ILSC and Greystone College in Canada.